So Diane and I were out on the deck the other night when I saw a big old rat come down these wires, cable wires on the wall. And I thought he had to have come out of one of those holes. And so I climbed up. I could see that, sure enough, he's chewed through that one. That one, I don't know if the video shows, but it's good. That one's good. So I made this little wire cap or plug, hardware cloth actually. And I'm going to see how I did. It's a little snug, which is a good thing. And brought a very specialized tool for this, my hammer, and I'm hoping I don't go too far. That's pretty unobtrusive, I think. Maybe I'll try a little deeper. And looks obvious from here. I guess I could paint it brown. That's it.